What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, this is what it's gonna be, like a grunge Y2K 2000 smoky eye. So if you guys want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. So I just got out the shower, that's why my hair's so wet. And yes, I have curly hair. If you guys didn't know, I always straighten it though because it's just a hassle to be doing my hair curly. It's so hard. I just straighten it. But right now I'm gonna just start off with my eyebrows. The concealer that this is my go-to concealer for always, but I kind of want to try the L'Oreal one. That one I see is super popular too. And I'm gonna say, even though this is the hydrating version, it is kind of dry on me and it dries really quick. I don't like to spend too much money on my makeup, so unless like I really want to try the product, I'll spend a little more. But I feel like I can do pretty good makeup with just drugstore products. And I have my brows micro, what is it called, when they're like up like that. I did it myself, and untinted. And I think I burnt myself right here. That's why there's a little dot right there, so don't mind that. Okay, this is how I prime my lids, my eyelids, and then I just... So I'm gonna use this palette. This is the color one right here. And then I'm just gonna push into my lid with some of the product and slowly just be blending it in. So take your time doing this. This is what it looks like when I finish blending that out. Also, kind of like turn your head so that you don't have any harsh lines. After that, I want to go in with a darker shade and a smaller brush. I got this brush, something that looks like this. The previous one I was using, as you can tell, was a little bit bigger. So now I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna use this gray shadow right there. And then I'm just gonna focus on my outer corner type vibe. Like outer corner to mid lid, and then just blend it up or around, I guess. So it should kind of look like this. And then do the other side. And I like to kind of push in onto my lid. I feel like it makes it easier. Oh my god, my hair is looking crazy. It's okay. I'm gonna do my hair right now too. And then just be blending. I like to like kind of blend up since I do have hooded eyes. So just blend up like this. I think that's good. Just make sure to pack on more color if it kind of like goes away, just on this part. Okay, so it's looking good. It's looking good. Something that looks like this. So it's kind of like a flat brush, more dense as well, with a black shadow. Literally just finish off the look. So I'm literally just pressing on to where I want it, right there, and just kind of blend it out a little bit. And with the black shadow, I kind of go in a little more into the middle part of my lid, just like kind of like the lash line, if that makes sense. Then I probably am gonna have to go back with the previous brush and eyeshadow that I use, well, not, and like whatever's left over on it, and then just kind of like blend it out. Okay. Dude, why do I always lose my brushes? Also be blending out the outer one, like the very first shadow that we used, and just be blending everything together. I love how that looks. You could literally just leave the shadow like this, but to add like a little pop of color, I'm gonna do my kind of like a cut crease, but not really. I'm gonna get a brush like this, and I'm gonna get a very light shade, like a bone shade color. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here. You could even use a white shadow, but I'm gonna use this one. And I'm just literally patting it in the inner corner and blending it up and inwards. Just a little bit, not too much. Blend it inward and blend it upward. Just barely even moving it. So it looks like that. Let me add a little more this side to keep it vibrant. There you go. I love how that looks so far. And honestly, you can leave it like that as well. I just got this. This is a highlight from Wet n Wild, the Chameleon Chrome. Look how pretty this is. And it's only like $6. But I don't know if it's gonna go good with this color because it's kind of green. You know what? Okay, let's just go in. This isn't probably the brush I should be using, but let's see. I'm kind of scared. Maybe even use your finger. Yeah, use your finger. But since I already added it on that side, let me just add it on this side. It's so freaking pretty. And I can even just like the leftovers, so it's like all over sparkly. Added it on top just barely, just so it kind of sparkles and it brings the whole look together. I honestly don't really like using eyeliner because I don't know about you guys, but my eye be watering hella when I use eyeliner, so I try not to. What I try to do though to mimic the look of an eyeliner is I'll go in with like a pencil looking like really small brush, get some black eyeshadow. I'm literally just gonna do a tiny little wing since I do have hooded eyes. It's not gonna be perfect since it is eyeshadow, and it shouldn't be perfect because this is the type of look that we're going for. And I was just line like right here, a very thin line, just so it ties it all together. My lashes literally go down, so we're gonna have to curl our lashes. This is a brown mascara, but I don't have to do. I wish I had a black one. This is a Lash Princess. I love that mascara. Okay, and I'm gonna play these lashes. These are kind of like the ones that Wendy Ortiz wears, or used to wear. I don't know if she still wears them. I think she gets lash extensions now, but they're the ones that were like super poppin'. She was like known for these kinds of lashes. To apply these lashes, I need to get new ones because I've used them a couple of times already, but look how pretty they are. Oh, I think I kind of messed it up. Oh no. The only thing about black glue that I hate is when I'm putting them on and I have like a light color of shadow on and it like ruins it. Because it goes on black, you know, so. So cute. So this is kind of like the grungy version. Well, I'm not completely done. I need to go and do my face makeup and the look will be complete. Also need to do my hair and I will be back to show you guys what it looks like. I'm here finished with the, well, almost. I don't have a black liner pencil like eyeliner, so I'm just gonna do the same eyeshadow thing with the brush on my waterline just to finish off the look. Oh my god, you see like the difference? You can also leave it like this, but I like to tie everything up with the liner on the bottom. And I always get asked on like TikTok to recreate this look, or how did I do this look. Really easy as well, as you guys have seen, but let me know if you guys recreate it. I love it. I really like the highlighter, except I'm gonna have to get a different shade because I feel like this one's really green, although I do like it. Maybe not for this look. I just applied a little bit. So that was this one that I'm talking about from Wet n Wild. It's really good. This is it for this video. If you guys have any video ideas for me to do, any makeup tutorials, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Just so